Hi there, it's Jody. I am here to show you my Perfectly Pears Bundle of the Month card. It's a super quick and creative card. There's just a couple of things I want to point out to help you as you create it. So I've got this image from the Perfectly Pears with Versamark ink, and I'm just going to randomly stamp along the edges of the card base, which is Darling Duckling. Versamark ink, if you're not familiar, just does a tone-on-tone watermark ink. And so any color you put it on, it's going to take on that color and just give you a really subtle background that I did around the edges. Okay, next thing, I went ahead and did some layering with the Old Olive cardstock, the pear designer paper, and then this strip of designer paper. So we're going to go ahead and add that to the card base. And then I have a square from the Stylish Shapes from Petal Pink cardstock, and we will go ahead and attach that right over here. Now, this might be the coolest part. There is a piece of designer paper, and what's awesome is that our dies from the Perfectly Pears bundle coordinate with the designer paper too. So not only can you stamp and die cut, but you can also, trying to see how I think you see how they all line up with those printed images. So I went ahead and die cut those pieces, and then we can just go ahead and add them to the card. So I'm going to take some Stampin' Dimensionals and put them on the back of the pear to start. And we'll just set him here. For the little stem, I'm just going to put some adhesive right on the back and attach that here. And then I can take a dimensional and place it behind the leaf to just secure it a little bit better. If you want to do one under that leaf, you are definitely welcome to do that. Now for this last piece, I'm going to put some adhesive over here on the edge and then a dimensional right over here because I want to overlap it a little bit. So here I just want that flat adhesive, but over here it's going to need to be raised up a little bit, and that just keeps everything on the same level. So one of the dies is this teeny tiny little piece. I'm going to use Secret Sea ink to stamp the word friend. We'll add that on there. And then this is the same type of thing where I want adhesive on this end, and I'm going to take an edge from the Stampin' Dimensionals and put it over here, and then I will attach that right over here. So the part that's got the adhesive is overlapping with the pear, and that's already raised up, and then the partial dimensional is right here. So the last little thing, I'm going to pull this back in. You can add a little gem right here and a touch of ribbon over on the edge. So that is my quick and creative Perfectly Pears card. I hope you enjoyed this and all of the cards you get to make this month.